Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we will talk about beautiful and trendy hand embroidery designs and ideas that you can try at home. Hand embroidery is a very relaxing and creative hobby. It helps you make simple fabric look beautiful with just needle and thread. You don't need expensive tools, just some fabric, colorful threads and a little practice. Let's start with the first idea, floral embroidery design. Flowers are the most popular and easy designs for beginners. You can make small roses, leaves and simple petals. Use soft colors for a detailed look or bright colors for a bold style. The second idea is simple line embroidery. This style uses straight and covered lines to create modern and clean design. You can make shapes, patterns or even write names. It looks very stylish and is very easy to do. Next we have embroidery borders. Borders are perfect for decorating dupattas, sleeves, pillow covers or tablecloths. You can create simple repeating patterns using basic stitches like running stitch or chain stitch. Another beautiful idea is traditional embroidery. These designs are inspired by cultural patterns. They often include detailed shape, bright colors and rich design. You can use them on dresses, shawls or home decor items. Now let's talk about stitches. Some basic stitches you can start with are running stitch, back stitch, chain stitch and satin stitch. Once you learn these, you can create many different designs easily. You can also try textured embroidery. This uses stitches like French knots or lazy daisy stitch to give a raised and 3D effect. These designs look very pretty and unique. If you like modern style, try hoop art embroidery. You can create small designs inside an embroidery hoop and bang it on your wall as decoration. It looks simple but very creative. Now let's talk about colors. Choose thread colors that match your fabric. Light colors look soft and elegant, while bright colors look fun and eye-catching. Hand embroidery is not only a hobby but also a great way to create handmade gifts. You can make personalized for your family and friends and they will really appreciate your effort. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.